Hello everyone, today we make together fantastic coconut cookies. We will use our home blender. In 1 minute you will have an amazing cookies. Please, if this first time to watch my channel, please make subscribe and make like, and if you really like it you can make share. Let's start. We make together 60 gram butter, 70 gram icing sugar, 1 gram salt, 120 gram flour, 2 gram baking powder, 100 gram coconut, 25 gram fresh cream or milk, up to you, and 1 egg later on. So butter and sugar together, flour, baking powder together, and you can added coconut powder. So in the blender we put the egg, powdered sugar and butter just to make it soft, and then we'll add the rest of ingredients one by one. As you see, just mix. When you feel it soft, prefer to bring butter 1 hour before to use to have room temperature. When, as you see, is blending creamy soft, we will add coconut and the flour, and later on we'll add 1 gram eggs, 25 gram fresh cream, or you can use milk, but fresh cream give nice taste. We blend it again. From time to time with a spatula we have to bring the edges. Finally, 1 piece of egg. Again we blend it. As you see, I use spatula to bring the edges from the blender. One more time. It takes almost 1 minute, the whole process. Again, just for few seconds, and your dough is ready. You can see the dough, very soft, creamy, smooth, and this is the texture we need. As you see, when you roll it, becomes a very soft, smooth surface. That means the dough is ready. We will have topping for this dough. Very easy topping, just 50 gram coconut, 50 gram crystal sugar or normal sugar. That will be the topping. We mix it, coconut and sugar together. After that, with teaspoon, piece by piece, we roll it, and then we cover it with coconut and crystal sugar. You can make big portion or small portion, is up to you. All the same taste will be fantastic. It makes almost 40 pieces of cookies. You can divide it, you can make half of this quantity, or you can double it. As you see, just a little push on top, it will take round shape. We are ready. We bake in the oven 175 for almost 9 minutes. It's depending from oven to oven, but it's in the same range, 9 minutes maximum. Then we have amazing coconut cookies with the tea. It's fantastic. Thanks for watching my channel, Ahmed abdelsalam Younes. See Impero.